Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be showing you how to make meat pie. I already have a meat pie recipe, but I have upgraded my recipe since then, so I decided to share with you my new meat pie recipe. So come along. So if this is your first time here, please do support my channel, and if you are coming back, then you're highly welcome. So let's make the filling. I have already boiled my potatoes, and this is my minced meat, so I'll go ahead and cook it on a very low heat for like 2-3 minutes. As you can see, the minced meat is done, so I will go ahead and add oil in my frying pan, then add my onions. I'm going to fry them a bit until translucent. Then I will go ahead and add my diced bell pepper and more onions, and I'll continue frying it. At this point, I'll go ahead and add my spices, my seasoning, and my salt before adding in my potato and my minced meat. Add a little bit of soy sauce in it. I want the filling to be, like juicy. I don't want it to be dry. So guys, just take a look at this meat pie filling. Oh my god. Now let's make the dough. I added my flour, my baking powder, and my salt, and I'll go ahead and give it a mix. Then add in my butter. And then after adding in the butter, I will massage it very well in the flour, and then I'll go ahead and add a little bit, no, not a little bit, I'll go ahead and add water bit by bit so that I don't end up with a very sticky dough. You don't want a sticky dough, okay? Now let's go ahead and add water, like I said earlier, bit by bit, so that your dough doesn't become sticky. Guys, this is the easiest meat pie dough. As you can see, we are even done making the dough. No stress, no wahala. Very simple. Our dough is ready. Now let it rest for like 5 minutes, and then go ahead and roll it on your cutting board, and then use something, maybe a cup or a cutter, to cut them into equal size. Now go ahead and spread it very well, and then bring that your delicious meat pie filling, and then add it in, and just flip and use a fork, or if you have a meat pie cutter, it's easier, you can use it. If you don't have a meat pie cutter, you can do it the old-fashioned way. tada! We have made meat pie. Ba wahala, meat pie akwai sauki. It's very easy. If you follow this recipe, guys, this is the easiest meat pie recipe I've ever seen. So please do try it out and let me know what you think. So for the next one, I will be using a meat pie cutter. If you don't know meat pie cutter or you have never seen it before, I'll show it to you now. So I'm using a meat pie cutter to make a bigger size meat pie. So guys, this is the cutter, and then you just place the dough on top of it and then add in your filling, then you close it. That's it. You're done. I was supposed to add the water on the cutter, not between the meat pie dough. Sorry about that. I don't even know what I was thinking when I did that. Now I am done making the meat pie, and I'll go ahead and give them an egg wash, then put them in the oven to bake, and I'll get back to you guys. Pie is done. Just take a look. So yummy. And we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you once again for stopping by. Please don't forget to support my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.